welcome back. Out for the weekend. Been doing a little bit of video, so I thought I'd come out and film a bit more of it. So what I've been doing is I've painted my windshield. I spray painted it yesterday, did a little video. I'm going to throw that up in a second, shortly after I do the introduction. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today, doing something different. I'm going to spray paint the windshield. Figured, why not? I'm doing it inside because the weather's a bit naff. And I hope you can actually see this really well. I hope I don't get any on the carpet. So I've literally just got this off Amazon. It's just a super gloss spray paint, whatever, you know. Should do the job. Let's give it a shake up. The reason why you want to do it on the inside, not on the outside, is obviously because stuff won't hit as bad, but you don't want to spray over the Kawasaki. I hope to God this works. I've seen people do it online, so I figured, you know what, I'm going to try it. So let's see how it goes. Kind of works. You want to do this in a very well ventilated area because folk are strong. Getting high off my own supply. I don't know if you can see that all that well. Oh, let's get my torch out. It looks pretty good. Obviously I think it will be a two-cut job. We'll just have to see how it goes. But yeah, catch you on the next part. Oh, unflattering angle. So we're back. Now this is the end product, as you can see. How beautiful that looks. Fucking makes it, don't it? Completely changes the look of the bike just by spray painting it. I do hope the audio's alright. Obviously, if you look at it from the back when you get a bit of the light, you see where the spray paint's not fully, but I guess I could recoat it on a rainy day. But yeah, that looks pretty sick. So, thanks for joining me on this. It's got a little sample of the bike. Catch you next time, guys.